Crafty V, and today we're making OObleck. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to get me to 100 subscribers. Let's get started. So first we're gonna add, let's see, 1 cup of cornstarch. I meant 2, guys, sorry. I'm gonna have my assistant fill that. Okay, you got that. Now we're gonna use half a cup of water. Then we're gonna stir it. Oh, almost forgot. Add any piece of food dye you want. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now it's time to stir. Ooh, this is turning pretty. I think it's red velvet cake. I need a little more water. Okay, guys, I'm adding a little bit more water because it's dry. Ready, guys? Let's go. Oh my goodness. Yes, assistant. Thank you for asking. I made pink lemonade, or should I say, pink cake. We're waiting. Oh, we got my cute little doggy over here, Violet in the lap. I got raccoons in my house. Those are the raccoons.
Kill a raccoon.
Thank you, assistant. I'm gonna need some gloves, guys.
You want to use gloves?
Yes, I don't want to get my hands that dirty.
Like me?
Stop it, Nemo.
I have Cheeto hands.
3, 2. Now we got our gloves on, guys. It's liquid now. Let's get our OObleck. This is liquid.
It's too liquid.
I think there's less cornstarch than that. Woo! Oh, you guys. Thank you, assistant. I think I can stir it now.
Okay. Probably right there. Plus it's fun.
For you and me. And you got gloves on. So let's mess. It looks like cheesecake. I like it that way. I never want to hear you say I want it that way. Break down now.
Give me some water. Give me a couple of water.
Yeah. Guys, just ignore my instructions. I messed up. But guys, look, I got a hard solid. Isn't it so cool that you could just punch it and it's hard? Punch, 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 punch. But then when you grab it, it's so liquidy. Look, guys, watch the magic. In the very center of the palm. Guys, I have to say, this is strawberry cake. But just ignore my instructions, like I said, for the second time. Just ignore my instructions. Just add as much as you feel, like 1 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. Thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe and like for some more. Bye!